Hello guys, today I've got JBL Endurance Peak 4 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that the battery levels of the left and right earbuds are different. So that's actually not a difficult issue to fix. The first thing that you need to do is to charge your earbuds up to 100% and make sure that you use them as a pair, as the pair, not separately. So plug them and charge them up to 100%. If you use them separately, it's a normal issue, and it means that it's not an issue. It's a fact that if you use one earbud separately and the other one is in the case, the first one that you use will use its battery, and the second one won't use the battery. So after a short period of time, these battery levels will be different. However, if you have both earbuds in the case and you don't use them separately, you need to of course try charging them up to 100%. If it didn't help, you need to take them out of the case and make sure that here you don't see any dust or debris, and of course right there also. If you feel that it's oily, it's dirty or something like that, you need to clean it with a soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol. What else can I show you? I think that you can perform a factory reset to fix this issue. However, I don't really think that it's that good idea, because I don't really think that factory reset will help in terms of the battery. So you need to probably contact device support right now. That's it. Bye.